Today we're going over the Banded Deadbug. So this is a similar core activation exercise to help treat low back pain, but when we add the band in, what it does is it helps train our body to better brace our core to protect our low back even further. So to perform, all we need is a circular mini band like that, and we're going to go on our back into the typical dead bug position. Only this time we're going to have this circular band around our arms, and again we're going to bring our arms out so there's a little bit of tension, and then the dead bug position is this 90-90 position, so my hips are flexed to 90 and my knees are bent to 90, and then from there, all we're going to do is alternate feet. So the easiest progression is keeping that 90-90 bend, just touching the heels, down like that. If you want to make it a bit harder, we straighten the legs, but all the while, we're maintaining that tension in our arms. And really, with any dead bug exercise, what we're watching for is keeping that core engaged so that our arch, we don't overarch at our back like that. So anytime we lose that strong position of the core and get into that overextended position, that's when we know we've gone too far. So just watch out for that. You'll have your natural arch in the low back, but what you don't want is for it to come up and be exaggerated like that. So there you have it. That's the Banded Dead Bug exercise. Thanks for watching.